What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, y'all already see it in the title and the thumbnail. I'm giving y'all an early look at a new Hat Club collection. Let's go ahead, crack it open. So the collection is called Santorini, and it is inspired by Santorini, Greece. So let's see what the vibes are. Okay, we got the OG Hat Club box. All right. Toss that to the side. We don't need that anymore. I almost opened it without y'all. My bad. I always give y'all the first look. So let's go ahead, pull this up. Okay, we got some Greek mythology on there. I think I could give y'all a better look at that if I take it out the box. So let me do that. And there it is. It's like a print up or a print of Athena. And y'all could correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong, but I think Athena was the god of war. I don't know. My Greek mythology is a little rusty. The last time I had to study Greek mythology was like maybe in college. Maybe. We might have brushed the surface, but the last time I remember really talking about Greek mythology was like in high school. So, sound off in the comment section, but I think Athena was the god of war. There is something else in here. We got the little coffee cup. This is a New York City staple right here. You get the coffee from the coffee carts. I'm pretty sure that Hat Club has done a pin inspired by this cup. And there's something inside, so let's go ahead, open that up. Athena, okay? Athena was the goddess of wisdom. So I was wrong. Athena is not the god of war. Athena was the goddess of wisdom. She was skilled in the art of war. Okay. Athena sprang full grown from the forehead of Zeus. Greek mythology is crazy like that. And became his favorite child. Okay, so Athena is Zeus's favorite child. I didn't know that. Her symbols include the owl and the olive tree. Athena is also the namesake of the city of Athens. Okay, Hat Club coming through with the history lesson. I appreciate it. I learned something new today. And I got a cup. But most importantly, it's the hat. Y'all want to see the hat. So let's get into the hat. Another Padres. If y'all been keeping up with the videos, specifically the Hat Club videos, y'all would have seen my unboxing of the Lemonade Padres, which is a little similar to this one. Same front logo, same side patch, but obviously the colorway is different because the Santorini collection is inspired by Santorini, Greece. So you got the blues and the tans, and I see the vision. Y'all let me know if y'all see the vision down below in the comment section. You got the two-tone Padres. There is some silver in that front logo that I'm gonna make sure y'all get a good look at. The sky blue on the crown, tan on the visor, tan button on top too. Now you have the silver accents in there. There's some lighter blue and some white. It's a good looking front logo. I like the color placement in there. The side patch here surprises me because you have the gold metallic hits in there, which of course I'm not complaining about. I love metallic stitching, but you have gold in the side patch and you have silver in the front logo. And normally they say like gold and silver doesn't work together, but it works. So Padres Swinging Friar 40-year anniversary side patch. Again, you got the gold bat, gold outline, some gold text in there, flat batterment on the back. It's white and that darker shade of blue. Tonal New Era flag and a gray UV with black guts to bring it all together. And of course, for those of y'all that are wondering, the hat was made in Bangladesh. There is that Hat Club branding on the inside, which, as I always say, is a small detail, but I like the details. And y'all could definitely look out for some other details for this collection because I do think some of the hats are gonna have Greece flags on them. So that'll be a dope touch. I want to see what this hat looks like steamed and curved, so I'm gonna go do that. I'll come back and I might put together a fit for y'all, so keep watching. All right, so I'm back and the hat has been steamed and curved using my usual method with the steamer and the water bottle. It's the same method I use every day, and I think it's looking good. I really like that sky blue with the tan colorway. It's a good look. I'm feeling it. Gray UV, keeping it simple. I like it. Y'all sound off in the comment section. What do y'all think about this Hat Club Santorini Padres? The whole collection drops September 15th. Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern on the Hat Club website. Y'all already know the vibe, so be on the lookout for it. And I did tell y'all that I was gonna put together a fit, which was pretty easy because the hat is the main piece. Like, the hat speaks for itself. It's definitely the statement piece, and I wanted it to stand out. So I went ahead and I pulled out this plain cream colored tee, you know, playing with the tans in the hat. And I have some blue jeans. Y'all see the vibes. We got the blue, we got the tan, okay? Y'all see where I'm going with this, right? 1, 2, 3, nothing crazy. It's a simple fit. My Soulfly 10s, they actually have like a little bit of a blue hit on the back, so I think that'll be a good look. The outfit is really just gonna complement those blues, tans, whites, the gold, the silver in the hat. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll probably put together a fit grid so y'all can see it all come together that way. If you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.